bushcraft cooking, well, warming your food up from last night so you don't starve to death out here in the woods. Here it's sizzling. Smells good too, except for that stuff it's burning on. Next video we'll probably kill us a squirrel or a turkey or something and cook it, and we'll make all this stuff around the fire up with a chainsaw. Have us some dry wood, have one heck of a fire. Anyhow, it's looking good. Cooking that for the helper. I seen him over there, but he ain't making it. I don't know what he's doing. Anyhow, we'll be doing some more of this. All I got is time. Got to be out here, might as well do this.